Hi, good morning. See here, you can see an external pollinating agent. See what is she doing? See, you can see pollen stuck to her body. She's taking all the pollens with her. Now she will go to some another plant to suck its nectar, and in this way she will be transferring all these pollens. Nature is so intact, so coordination with each other. See, so here comes the main gist of life is to stay in harmony with the nature. We can't live long without being in harmony, without being in sync with what is surrounding us. So that is the mantra for living a happy and healthy life. See how engrossed is she in collecting all the nectars and sticking pollens to her body. I've taken camera so close to the flower. She is least bothered because she is into an activity. She's tucking in her bee and sucking all the nectar from the flower. Nature is so wonderful. Okay, have a good day. Cheers.